Hello, dear students. We will today learn chapter number 13, which is regarding organisms and population. Now see, there is a well-known word or scientific anatomy, ecology. Ecology is the word which is found in the Greek language. If you break this ecology in two pieces, then oikos, which is home in meaning in English, and logos has got the meaning study. That is the study of home is related to the ecology. So far as the definition of the ecology is concerned, then in 1969 there was a scientist whose name was Odom. He has given a certain definition: a subject to study interaction among organisms, that is among the organisms only, or and between organism and its physical environment, that is the abiotical factors. See, there are total 4 levels of the biological organism. One of them is organism, the second one is the population, the third one is communities, and the fourth one is biomass. Within these 4 levels, ecology is formed. Now, concern deeply with the physiological condition of the living beings on the earth for survival and reproduction. These are the two main aims or the mottos. All the organisms got adaptation because they have to survive and they have to produce the next generation. The earth moves around the sun. It is a well-known sentence. It is tilted 23.5 degree with its axis or 66.5 which is rotational plane. Due to this, annual variation in intensity of lights and in temperature is occurred, resulted different types of seasons. Many types of seasons are here. One of them is winter, the other is summer. So far as monsoon is concerned, it is found only in some regions only, like India. Seasonal changes may occur due to this, and so the seasonal changes like precipitation, like rain, that is the rainfall, or the snowfall may occur. Snowfall is occurred there in the cold region, and rainfall may occur in the equatorial region. Some regions haven't got rain, that is the scanty rain is there. Ultimately they will transform into the deserted areas like Kutch or Tharparkar or the world's famous desert Sahara in Africa. So in some of the region downpour may occur. As you know that the Cherrapunji is the place where the highest rainfall is occurred always, and due to this downpour the rainforest may have got breeding. Some regions steadily radiation. So far the slating radiations are concerned, then they have got minimum level of heat. That is why low temperature may occur, and if the slanting radiation is not there, then it may have got the high temperature. So far the low temperature is there, then snowing will be there, and ultimately continuous snowing may turn into the tundra region. Ultimately leads to a wide varieties of the inhabitants. These are the factors which impact the habitats of the organism. Life existence on limited in a few favorable habits only, but it's not found there too. It is also found in extreme or the highest abiotic, like scorching desert. You know the scorching desert, Sahara, Tibet, and Kutch. Polar region, the North Pole and the South Pole, both of them are there, and high mountain top may occur there. So deep ocean stretches and rain-soaked forest like Meghalaya may occur, and torrential stream may have got some temperature and may increase the temperature surrounding area. Stinking compost pits, the pits that is the pits which are there in between two mountain range, and they have got the rain, then they may have got the compost area due to the plants. Unique habitat intestine. See, so far as our intestine and the living intestine is concerned, the big intestine is an habitat of certain bacteria. Habitation factors may be related, just like one of them, there are four. These four factors affect the habitation. One of them is temperature. The most ecological relevant environmental factor is temperature. Arrange the temperature the various seasons so far as the summer is concerned, there is a field, the high temperature, and due to the winter we have got somewhat low temperature. So it may be seasonal too, and the temperature varies right from the zero longitudinal, that is equatorial, to the polar region, either in the south or north pole. If you go there, then you may know that the longitudinal range will go on increasing, and the temperature will decrease accordingly. Plain to mountain, if you go to the plain, then you get high temperature somewhat, but as you go rising up the mountain, then you will get the low temperature. Ranges from sub-zero level in polar areas. So far as the polar area is concerned, then you may find that there is only snow everywhere. That is, the temperature level is sub-zero or maybe -2. So far as the occurrence of the Russia is concerned, then you may find mostly around about the 35 minus to 50 degree minus, and high altitudes, that is more than 50 degrees found in the tropical desert summer, that is in Sahara, and so far as up to today, it is found that Jacobabad of Pakistan have noted almost 56 degree temperature. So there may be the unique habitats too. So far as the thermal springs are concerned, then and the deep sea hydrothermal vent have almost got the 100 degree temperature too. Thermal springs, that is, the springs which are exiting from the lens, and hydrothermal vent which is found there in the sea, mostly have got 100 degree temperature. So according to this temperature factor, the temperature may not reach, we may not find there in the Canada or in the South region, while so far as the white bays are concerned, then you may find them in the polar region only, not into the Kerala forest. And so far as the tuna fish is concerned, it is not found beyond the tropical region, that is, it is not found there because adaptation is not done by that fish. Engines are concerned, then you may find that it works in a certain rate, that is at 20 to 40 degrees only. 28 is the permissible temperature for engine to function. So if the high temperature is there, then they may not get, they may deform and may not do the activities or the function too. So far as the metabolism is concerned, it depends upon the enzymes. So metabolism can be disturbed due to the enzymes, and enzymes can be disturbed due to the high range of the temperature. Other physiological activities may also limited, may become limited. Every euthermal tolerate wide range of the temperature. So those animals which can withstand the euthermal are not, which can withstand the high temperature are called euthermal. So far as the those who cannot withstand the high temperature but can withstand the low temperature are called stenothermal animals. So is the geographical distribution, because geographical distribution of these living beings depends upon the temperature only. So far as global warming concerned, it's a burning problem nowadays facing the world. You know, the CO2 increase in the CO2 right from 0.02 to 0.04. So the global warming may disturb this whole habitat too. The second factor which is affecting the habitat is water. See, so far as the water is concerned, you know that water is called the elixir of life. So far as the water is there, then we may live. If within 48 hours we can't get the